morning. Today is Thursday. I had a lie-in this morning and it was so nice. I haven't had a lie-in in so long, and it wasn't even that much of a lie-in. It was until like 8 o'clock. Oh, that's cute. Wow. When I was younger, did anyone go through a stage where they just had like, I would have like long hair, and rather than getting a fringe cut in, I'd have like my hair up in a ponytail and then just these long bits like coming down my face. It was a bad time. Also, did anyone go through a stage, I don't think I really did this, but like the cool people did this, where like, again, instead of getting a fringe, they'd just kind of grab like a big chunk of their hair on one side and just put it across their face like this. My hair's too short, and then just tuck it behind their ear, and then they'd wear like foundation on their lips, and like big pearls. That was like the cool look. But whenever I did that, my mum would have been like, who do you think you are? Anyway, yeah, I had a lie-in this morning. Yes, and today, plan for today, don't have uni on Thursdays, going to go into Central. So my mum sent me a text saying, with like a screenshot from H&M, I feel like my hair's very messed up now, of this shirt, saying if I happen to be in H&M, could I please try and pick one up for her, because they don't have any in her size online. And I was like, yeah, of course, because I'm just such a good daughter. But the likelihood of me actually just being in H&M is slim to none. I feel like I'm gonna have to put this down because my arms were not made for this. Give me a second. Right. Oh, wow. Sunshine. Okay. There we go. I feel like this probably isn't the most flattering angle. Anyway, the chances of me going into H&M are slim to none because I'm trying not to spend as much money on clothes. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, so I'm just gonna pop in for her and see if I can find it. I think I'm gonna go to Oxford Street area because I think there's like 3 H&Ms there. So I'm giving myself the best chance of finding it. So I'm gonna go there, hopefully pick up a shirt for her. I need to buy some more foundation because I've completely run out. And also some more concealer because I've, again, completely run out. And then I think I'm done there. And then I'm gonna go to the gym. Got my gym clothes on. I'm looking very blue, look a bit like a sailor or something. I'm gonna go to the gym. On my way back, come home, and then I'm gonna do some reading. 1 second. Ooh, okay, so this is what I'm reading. It's A Visit from the Goon Squad by Jennifer Egan. Won a Pulitzer. It's much loved by a lot of people, I believe. I think it's kind of split into almost sort of short stories, but they all kind of merged together into one narrative, I think. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. But yeah, reading this for dissertation purposes. Speaking of which, yesterday I finished this super sad true love story by Gary Steingart, and I really enjoyed it. Actually, it was good. It was like I don't want to say a fun read because it's quite intense and there was a lot of dark stuff going on in it, but it wasn't a difficult read. Like, it was enjoyable to read, and it was very interesting. So it's basically about a time in the not so distant future where technology is kind of taken over, and kind of in a society similar to the one we're living in now, but technology is just even more pervasive. And for example, like, everyone is rated, given like a rating of like how attractive they are, their personality, and then how I don't know how to say this. It uses the word fuckable. Basically, America's just up shit creek, kind of realistic. It's very interesting. There's a lot of stuff about immigration. Both of the main characters are second generation immigrants. So one of them his parents are Russian and the other parents are Korean. So that was a very interesting like sub layer to that as well. In fact, not even a sub layer, I think it was pretty like main. Oh, lots of interesting stuff about gender actually, and the way we treat women, and how technology and social media proliferates a particular way of treating women. It was interesting, so I would actually recommend it if any of that sounds interesting to you. I'd recommend. And yeah, so I'm going to try and read this today. I don't know how many pages it is altogether. Oh, it's quite short. It's only 350 pages altogether. So if I can try and get like half read by today, I'll be like buzzing. I could probably read more, but I'm just going to say half. Yeah, so that's the plan for today.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Hi guys, I am back. I didn't actually end up going to the gym. I spent forever in like Oxford Street area, so I didn't end up going to the gym, but that's fine. Sometimes we just don't make it. I managed to get my mum the shirt she wanted, which was great. I literally had it, they had it in the first H&M I went into, so that was good. I may have picked up a new jumper. It's one of those chenille ones, and they're like my new favourite thing because they're just so soft and cosy. And London is getting very cold, so I decided that it was acceptable. So I've decided that instead of doing reading, I'm just going to clean and tidy because I just feel like that's what I want to do. So I'm just going to go with it because that's not often a feeling that hits me. So also I feel a bit sorry for Rory because he has to live with me and I'm a slob, massive slob. So it's just, my stuff is just everywhere. And so I'm just going to tidy up and do some cleaning. I'm going to listen to Christmas music. I know it's really early. I've definitely got hair on my face. I know it's really early, but it just puts me in a good mood. I was listening to my Christmas playlist on the way to Oxford Street. It was just lovely. And then all the Christmas lights are up. They're not on yet, but they are up in Oxford Street. And I also popped into Lush just to smell all of their Christmas stuff, and I'm so excited. It makes me sad that I don't have a bath, but when I go home for Christmas, I'm gonna go to the massive Lush on Oxford Street beforehand and just buy like everything. Yeah.
You up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So the kitchen living area is now clean. Woohoo! I feel like a new woman. Except for now I've got to go do our bedroom, which is actually a tip because all the stuff that was in here I just put on my bed. This is the tip that I was referring to. And there's also some over here. Great. Fantastic. Love it. Just love it. I'm done and it feels so good. I'm done tidying up and I feel pretty good. There's still some stuff that's like, it just needs sorting. Like for some reason Rory's just left a load of sheets down here. They need to go. Also this bag down here needs a home, and behind it there's loads of hangers. so they need to go somewhere. But generally, it's looking a lot better. So that's good. I'm feeling good about that. Now I'm gonna finally just I was gonna say I'm gonna finally do some reading, but I think actually I might do some yoga. To be honest, Thursday's just been a write-off. We'll try again tomorrow.
Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweet.